I'm done being the good girl.
Are you sure about this? I thought girls like you hate guys like me.
Let's go! Go!
Your boyfriend's hooking up in the bathroom.
Jessica, damn, you're amazing.
Daniel? What the hell?
Caitlin? What are you doing here?
Who's this, babe?
Nobody. Just the maid's daughter.
That's all I am to you? It's my birthday. You said that we'd...
Oh, is this the needy little virgin you told me about?
Come on, Caitlin. Don't act surprised. I don't keep you around for my homework. Who else would even look at you? Oh, are you crazy?
I wrote every paper you turned in for the last 4 years. Every credit you earned was because of me. And this is how you repay me.
You should be thanking me for even noticing you exist.
Oh, asshole.
Caitlin, what's going on? Caitlin, what's going on? Surprised to see you here. Miss Perfect decided to live a little?
Xavier Alston, captain of the fencing team, voted hottest guy on campus, and the most likely to break your heart. As student council president, it's my job to keep him in line, but he's broken every campus rule imaginable.
Xavier, amazing best tonight.
Dear students and faculty members of St. Mountain High School, excellence through knowledge has been the top topic of this year's education. Mr. Alston, where are you going?
Sorry, Principal. I've got better things to do.
Seems our captain of the fencing team forgot our attendance policy. Mind reminding him, Miss Carter?
He's the reason my leadership scholarship went down the drain. God, I hate him.
Hey. No. You might want to check that out. Your boyfriend seems to be having a good time.
Is this the needy little virgin you told me about?
I need your help. Sorry for the interruption, but there's something everyone needs to see.
What the hell? Her with him? Caitlin Carter, want to tell me what's going on?
And that's how a good girl turns bad.
Just so everyone knows, Xavier and I are saying now. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your night.
Mind explaining what just happened?
Tonight was supposed to be perfect. My birthday, my first time. I thought Daniel loved me for who I am. But he was lying. It was all just lies.
It's okay. You're gonna be alright.
Hold on. Is the campus heartbreaker actually sweet? Wow. Is he secretly loaded?
You can crash here. What's wrong? Did you change your mind about staying?
No. It's just, if I'm sleeping there, then where will you...
What? You offering to share? Relax. That one's mine. If you need anything, just knock. Besides, I don't make moves on girls who aren't asking for it. Especially the good ones.
Maybe I'm tired of being a good girl. I'm done being the good girl.
Are you sure about this? I thought girls like you hate guys like me.
It's my first time. Can you be gentle?
Yeah, I got you. Follow my lead.
Where am I? My room's definitely not this nice. Oh God, last night. Morning.
Last night was good.
We actually did it? But why don't I feel anything? Was I too drunk?
Looking for evidence.
What? No.
You won't find any answers in a kiss. I got you. Follow my lead. Caitlin.
So, nothing actually happened. I need to get to class.
Your mom called me, freaking out because you never came home last night. Don't tell me you actually hooked up with Xavier. Guess you weren't such a good girl after all. Now, you spread your legs for anyone. Are you that desperate? Now, you spread your legs for anyone. Are you that desperate?
Shut your mouth.
Oh, please.
Everyone knows that you're chasing after Xavier's wallet. Funny though, if he's really your boyfriend, where is he now?
Crap. Why did I ever lie about that? If they find out the truth, I can kiss my student rep goodbye.
I knew it. You're full of it. Xavier Alston doesn't do girlfriends. You seriously think he'd pick you out of anyone?
He's at practice. We're meeting later for our date.
Oh, great. Then bring him to the party tonight. If you're really together, then it shouldn't be an issue, right? Oh, what's wrong? Can't even get your boyfriend to show up?
Come on, Caitlin. Drop the act. You still need someone to handle that virginity problem.
What the? Who the hell? Daniel, your hand's looking a little too comfortable.
Chill. Let go, man.
Keep your hands to yourself next time, got it?
Did Xavier Alston seriously just protect Caitlin?
Are they really? Principal's been looking for you. Did you get the message?
I didn't get anything.
Better not keep him waiting.
Is he actually worried about me?
Oh, no way! Xavier would never want a girl like her!
Hey, so bad earlier. Thanks.
No big deal. He deserved it. Look, if that's all, I've got practice.
Wait. Could you pretend to be my boyfriend? Just for tonight's party.
Ten? Sure, I could do that. You're gonna have to give me something in return.
Like what? What are you doing?
Screw it. I'm already this far. What's one more kiss?
Forget your feelings. Kiss isn't enough for someone with my reputation.
Then what exactly do you want? You're such a perv.
Seriously? You're getting shy all of a sudden? Who was it that showed up to my room last night again? Besides, it's nothing I haven't already seen. Look, I've got practice this afternoon, so I can't pick you up. Just meet at the party.
Cinderella looks good in black, dear. Oh, thank you. Amazing. Cheers.
Where is he? Xavier?